but it should be fairly easy. Mounted it there and there. Now I'm gonna put the bumper back up and align the light, and then we'll go ahead and connect it, and it should be good to go. All right, so what I've done, I cut the relay that it came with, because again, we have a switch panel. So I just got the one with the power and ground, connected it to the actual light bar here, and then taped it up so that one, it's not gonna go anywhere. So don't make fun of my tape job. It works, okay? So now I'm just gonna basically run the line through here up to there, measure it and cut, because I don't want any extra wire in there that I don't need. So let's go ahead and figure that out. All right, so here's the wire, ran it through there, up and around, right here. I left a little bit of slack, which I'll just, you know, just kind of move here and there. Oh, that should not be way down there. Anyways, so ran that, and it's these two. So if you have a switch panel, negative, negative, power, power, makes it 10 times easier to do any lighting. So if you hate anything electrical, I recommend one of these. So that's all connected. I'm gonna put the cover on, and we'll power this sucker up, see how it looks, see how bright it is, and then we'll put, you know, we'll line it up and make sure it's nice and centered. It does look pretty centered, but we'll see. And then we'll put the grill on